overwhelming wave of darkness enveloped the room. I tried to focus on the sound of my breath, counting each inhale and exhale, desperate to calm down. Then, just as I was settling into a tense rhythm, a loud crash reverberated through the hall, and the classroom door rattled violently. Everyone froze. I could hear my heart pounding in my ears, drowning out everything else. My body tensed, waiting for what would come next. Would we be safe? Mrs. Thompson rushed toward the door, peering through the small window. "Stay quiet," she hissed, and the room obeyed immediately. We all exchanged fearful glances, clutching our desks like they were lifebuoys in a stormy sea. Time seemed to stall. I could hear the distant sound of sirens, each wail a reminder of the reality outside those walls. I thought of my family, my plans for the weekend, how I had wanted to go to the movies with friends. I felt so small and so helpless. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, the door swung open, and a police officer rushed in. "It's okay," he said, trying to reassure us. "You're safe now." Relief washed over me like a sudden spring rain, but it was tinged with disbelief. Our hands were still shaking as we slowly emerged from our hiding spots. As we were escorted out into the hallway, the reality of what had just happened began to sink in. I felt a rush of gratitude for Mrs. Thompson and the quick thinking of our school staff. Outside, the air was thick with anxiety, yet the sight of first responders made me feel a sense of security. But the weight of that day lingered, an unsettling reminder of fear that would stick with me long after the lockdown was over.